Kasar kajala kala Mang Haduh khasan Crore Tyngka na Bynta Jing Pynthymmai ke Iewduh ke bade ke Iewduh ke berimtam ha kajala MEGHALAYA da ke bapethu banchna bhai kinala ban maramot iki jakaya jong ki pat ba bat ban bu jing thmuru ban Pynthymmai ke tiga Iewduh klem da penwit ya korukom trekam jong ki nongsong dukan bat kalet kawan jong ki brio Menteri Rang Badu jong kajala ha kajing adon lang jong sembut menteri uba presiden tensong ringkat menteri ketena jengok kai perthai uba polling do bat kinong mikmat jong kahima meliem bat nakiwe kitena jong kasor kajala tlelet jurep ya ka Iewduh ha ka snginengkong ban pet benya bat ban pet thu ya kijing e khamtam ha ka baide bat kajing lang bat na ka Bynta banchna ya kinala ya ka fies ka beningkong balada Mang Haduh Indri Crore Tyngka na kasor kajala lanang penya cekmat ha ka ba ladap maramat ya ki footpath ha ka fies ka baar Menteri Rang Badu kajala ulong baka sarkar kan sa penyat ki pipe na po khando bat ban Pynthymmai bat ban maramat ru ya ki rukom penyat ki nala ka ban penhe bat ban penkelut ya kalet kawan jong ki brio kan ni kajing pentrekam ha kan ni ka fies ka baar kan bu thong ru ban pet ki jing e ha ka baide bat kajing lang jong ka bat kajing sakut jong ki jabo ha ki nala khamtam ha ka porslap
Ngilala ya kaban wan hakani ka jaka hakani ka Iewduh ka Iewduh ka ba paunam tam jong ka jela jongi jong kari jong ka jangri jongi barok kue ka badeiru ka Iewduh niam ka Iewduh kom bat ka badeiru ka Iewduh ka ba bat ya ka riti ka justur ha ka ba barok di ba jong ka jangri jong ka jela jongi kia don Bynta hakani ka Iewduh bat daki pau nem ngane thu ipi ka don kanu ka bangin la ban pen internet ban penbit ban penbiang ka jingko ki jingba jong kan ka Iewduh tenrai hapok jelam jong UCM ba kodrat sangma minta dasngi akaba ngar ya but lang bat I kunju ru iba polong do ibade minister jong ba tourism department ila but rengkat lem bat ni rengkat ru bat ipaim ta tim jong ipaim ki menteri barok jong hima melen bat hakaju apot ki officers ng department ba repair ibade nadu kaliang jong ka light na kaliang jong ka na kaliang ka municipal na kaliang jong ka PWD dia dan betalang bat ka urban affairs ha kanika sgi ka Bynta ha ka bangilayo la cibun ke ban ya slok ban ya pelujung worku bat ki pai ba no song Iewduh bat ki nong wan Iewduh apo kanika Iewduh ba jong ka Iewduh ka ban don nam ka don burom nadu ka poru men barin majak te menta ka sni ICM daladehi layo sngau ilayo ru I bijeng ai jumut na ki babon ba ki nong song Iewduh ne ki nong wan Iewduh ko ba ong pi bat ka sngau tenat kolong ba ka face ka ban nengkong Iewduh ka ba sarkar kala ai da ka Bynta ban beautify ban penbit ban pendiam ni ka Iewduh ngila adet Bynta ka face 1 ka face ka ba ar pade ka khasan Crore ha ka ba la ai sanction kerpang da Bynta ka Iewduh kidang bun ki kam ki bedang sah ha ka ban penbit pendiam ya kaya kayen ka lenti ka singkin tam ke jingya utu pai ubang iyo I kalau ke jing thot ka bakrau te Bynta ka ka face ka baar na kaliang job ka sarkar ka Tyngka ha ka bangin sas dang no sen ya ka ban penbit pendiam ya ka Iewduh ba away bat ka face ka balai hadin ke jing wan juni iyo I ke babun ke jing don kam bat kata kolong balek se nginsna ki kenja rooftop da ka Bynta ki nong song Iewduh kidang don ki jaka ki bidang don ke space ban lek maha ban penbit pendiam ya kan niru nilai slok nilai keren akaba nakaliang jok kahima ban nakaliang jok ka sarkar kin yap syong lang kin ya prepare susu ya kita ki working plan ke babit ka bidyang kenang bangin nang penjana susu ya kani ka Iewduh ka balong ka Iewduh ka bapau nap tam jong ka jela MEGHALAYA jong ni barok ni susu Bynta kasni haka Jing ya pet ya kani ka yo iru ya kitu ki yo bilang ki bakal like kam don kam bit kam biang haka bau siem la ai ya ka Jing kular kamat kitu ki nong song yo baro bau chen gin sa install ya kani ka like haka meet ka yong lene haka dum haka Jing slam kaba mo kinyo ban yo ya ka Jing ya ki Jing ya de ki ya te ka bit ka biang ba ya kani ngin sale chen hati ni ki kinyo sini ki ban jong ICM ila airu kan order ka kertang na kementa ka municipal na makadon kini ketangki kan syakle iyo ya ka ba kini ki pipe yo i ke Jing ya ki pipe digi hajar teli digi po hajar teli ya kan ni ru kandon keri alignment ka kerpang kindon ki Bynta ki bangin penrung sapo jong anala kindon ki Bynta ka bangin le re alignment ka bangin ra no ya kini ki pipe kat kum ka Jing bit biang ka bakin le na klinger engineer jong ka municipal board kita ki de ki Bynta ki Bynta ka sni ICM di pelut por kabun kentang akaban ya sien ban kendu batin song yau song han bat ke sarkar ka sim serious kan kam ban agreement sken ba kan log di mentoy ya ki paj ba ki bajuan ki baju injaan kan ka Iewduh bat ka to por kan log ke burom ka bakau ya kari ki ka jaj riu jongi baro
Udah ini ka central fund nomor ba earlier ka NEC kala announce ba they'll give some amount for renovation and beautification of this.
Yes, so they're basically under the normative allotment that is given to every state. So every state is supposed to put projects up. So we have put up the project of Iewduh under NEC scheme, and certain amount of that is coming through NEC, and some part state government will do. And in the future, for the larger structures, again, different sources will be tapped. We've always believed in that, and whether from center or from state, the objective is to get the work completed. So we will do whatever it takes in a phase-wise manner to ensure that the overall infrastructure here improves.
Sir, when this...
So there are two parts. Number one, already 6 crores work is going on. So that has already started. And you can see in different locations the footpaths have been changed, stone has been put there, and that work is continuing. The second phase, which is the close to 15 crores, about 14 plus, close to 15 crores, which we expect that we will be able to tender out very soon. And I hope that maybe in a couple of months we can expect some work to begin, because the rains and all, we may not be able to do it full swing. Yeah, it won't be too long. It will be very, very soon. Number 3, we may not be able to expand the narrow lanes because obviously shops are there. We don't want to disturb the livelihood of the people immediately. So therefore, first thing we're doing is that we are trying to use the space in a better manner, and hence the pipes are a major concern. They're blocking the way, or they're taking up half the road or half the footpath. If the pipes go in, if proper drainage is created, the existing footpath also will be broadened and the utility will increase. So that's really what the objective is, and that's what this project is all about. And as I said, in the future, we do expect that we'll put up more better infrastructure. We will see how we can maybe beautify the different buildings and improve the infrastructure, and that will be part of the master plan that we have. We had visited Iewduh market area, and the purpose of our visit was basically to look at the overall condition and what needs to be done and what improvement has to be brought in. As you're aware, we have already sanctioned and work for 6 crores is already going on, and different parts, you will notice that the footpaths have been repaired, and it has been made into stone footpath to give it a natural look. So in that same line, we have now sanctioned close to 15 crores more, and for that also the tendering and the work, all the progress will happen. In next maybe a couple of months we should see the work for that also to start. And the main purpose is again to the pipes that are going along the footpaths, we will put them under a duct, and then we will redo the entire footpath and we'll make it better. And also overall we will try to beautify the place. Of course, this will not be enough, but our objective today was to see what more can be done, and we realized that there's a lot of problem with water flow, with the nalas. So all of this is included in the second phase, which is the close to 15 crore project. But we realized that there is much more to be done, and therefore we are now going to prepare a master plan and see how we can bring overall improvement in Iewduh. We are very concerned about this because more than or close to about 1 lakh people, their livelihoods depend on Iewduh market area directly and indirectly. And therefore, it is very important for us to ensure that we are able to maintain this and bring it up. And that's why we've come in a very big delegation. All the officials from urban, municipal, PHE, MECL, and all the other related departments are all here. And slowly and steadily, we will ensure that we improve this place. As I said, we cannot do it in overnight. Obviously, it's a large work, but the process has started. And I'm very happy. We got to meet the vendors, the farmers out here, the different shopkeepers. We interacted with them. We got very good suggestions from them. And thank God it rained also. So we really could see live what problems people actually face. And it made us realize that we really need to do a lot more in this area. So we're very happy, and it's a very good visit. And we want to assure the people of Iewduh, especially the shopkeepers and the HEMA and all the other traditional heads, that we will do and work hand in hand with them to ensure that we are able to improve the overall Iewduh market. One of the farmers market area, they have requested that they have been functioning without light for all this time, and they just wanted some lights, electricity connection to be done. So for that, we don't need special sanction or anything, so we can do those immediately. In 1 or 2 areas, they suggested that the space is too small, so they wanted an extra floor to be made. So those suggestions have been noted down. In some areas, they've suggested that the way the work is being done, they would like to see that it could be improved better. So they were requesting that if the drainage can be made on the side, because water is a big issue, so on and so forth. So there were very good interaction. Many suggestions came, as I said, but overall, as I said, we have noted down everything, and we realized that we need to make a master plan now to take things forward.
So the rooftop that you mentioned, will it be taken up in this phase?
No, the rooftop means it's not rooftop, the cover, the roof cover along the footpaths, which is open, where we could see that most of the people were selling the vegetables, covering themselves. It was very inconvenient. So we realized that also has to be taken up, but that may not be in this phase, because we've already sanctioned 15 crores, as I said, which is mainly for the infrastructure like the nala and the footpath and ducking of the pipes. So, but second phase third phase we will take it up.
The council have taken up a lot of beautification project here. So don't you think there will be overlapping?
No, those are beautification projects that are at a very small scale. These are major infrastructural changes. These are major, like for example, the footpath and the drainage, the ducking of the pipes. These are major projects, and these need to be done at a very large scale. So they will not be needed.